You've been lied to since the day you started school. They told you that if you just worked harder than everyone else, you'd eventually win. But look around. The hardest workers aren't the richest people on the planet. They are usually the most tired, the most stressed, and the most stuck. In 2026, hard work isn't a virtue. It's a financial trap designed to keep you on a treadmill that never stops. This curriculum was designed for the 19th century factory, not the 21st century digital landscape. Your teachers were training you to be a reliable cog in someone else's machine, where your value was measured solely by your presence at a desk. But today, the machine has changed. Today, I'm going to show you how to jump off. The difference between being broke and being wealthy isn't effort. It's leverage. While you are trading your finite hours for money, the 1% are trading systems. We have moved from the industrial age to the intelligence age. In the old world, wealth was linear. You worked an hour, you got paid an hour. In the new world, wealth is exponential. The gatekeepers who once controlled your access to the market are obsolete. In the past, you needed permission to be rich. You needed a boss to hire you or a bank to lend to you. Now that wall has crumbled. According to philosopher Naval Ravikant, there are 4 types of leverage. Capital and labor require permission. You need a bank to trust you with money or an employee to trust you with their time. But code and media are permissionless. In 2026, these robots take the form of AI agents, automated sales funnels, and algorithms that work 24/7 without a salary. While you rest, your digital assets are educating and your code is transacting. This is the only way to disconnect your income from your biological limits. To escape the trap, you must stop being the engine and start being the architect. The wealthy don't ask, "How can I do this?" They ask, "What system can do this for me?" They stop valuing sweat and start valuing specific knowledge. More judgment and more leverage equals more zeros. If you're ready to stop grinding and start building, join us. Welcome to Ascend Motivation. Subscribe to rewire your mind for the new economy.